How to solve design problems as a strategic designer. Let me show you how we took this app, which had a lot of daily users but only 15 subscribers, to this, which had over 300 subscribers in just 3 months, using product strategy. We're going to use each of these areas. They're also chapters of my new course, The Strategic Designer. Design strategy is not linear, so the order of these will look different for different projects. Let's start with the problem that we're trying to solve. Elect is an app that aims to help users understand their electricity usage, pricing structures, and provide insights and practical steps to reducing energy costs. It is a Norwegian app, so there is a mixture of English and Norwegian in my designs. Elect has over 200,000 monthly active users. Users come on here to check the electricity spot prices daily. It's very concerning when they only have 15 subscribers. 15, not 15,000. So how do we get people to pay for the subscription? We're gonna start here with vision and goals. Right now, we only have a goal, but not a vision. The goal is to get more subscribers. The only way to do that is to create products and features that will resonate with users to make them want to subscribe. We will come back to this later once we have more information to create a vision. Next is audience and value proposition. For us to reach our goal, we need to have a strong value proposition for the user. After talking to users, we realized that the main pain point is that they struggle to take action from the data that they see within the app. The simple action that some people do is to try align their electricity usage with the really low spot price times, but they're not always sure on how impactful this is to their electricity bills. The main goal for them is to reduce their electricity bills, which comes through understanding how electricity is calculated, then taking actionable steps. An audit of the platform shows that even though we have a lot of data, it's not really communicating to the average user what is going on. Users find it overwhelming and they are not able to take away anything from it. This is the user flow that we're aiming for, providing actionable insights, which leads to the user changing the way they use their electricity. Then they see results, which reinforces how good the insights we give are. Then they continue the cycle, which leads to long-term change. Now we're at number 3, features and roadmap. I then ran a workshop to get a deeper understanding on how this data is used to calculate the final bill and what practical things a user can do to reduce their bills. This whole page is very complex, but for an example, here we have capacity costs. That means that there are tiers for how much you're charged based on how much electricity you use at the same time. So if your washer, your cooker, your kettle, your heating is on all at the same time, you then move into a slightly upper tier of how much you're charged per kilowatt, and you stay in that tier until the end of the month. So you can't move back into a lower tier until the next month. Very confusing, but the goal is to explain this to a user in a very simple way. We're going back to vision and goals because now we have a vision. So start off with increasing the conversion to 3%, and then the next row are all the different user needs that we have extracted. And the row below that is all the features and ideas that we have to meet those user